Hi viewers, today I'll show you how to prepare fish fry. I've taken fresh lady fish from the seafood. Uh, in this seafood, I'm using only marination, only 5 ingredients. The 5 ingredients tell you: one is salt, one is chili powder, crushed black peppercorns, and water and turmeric. These are only 5 ingredients we're using to marination this fish. I'm adding a bit of salt, bit of turmeric as well. I'm adding little chili powder. I want to add freshly crushed black peppercorns. Final ingredient, adding bit of water in this. I'm making a marination in this. So I'm not adding any oil in this, any ginger garlic paste. If you're adding oil and ginger garlic paste in the fresh fish, once preparation is done, you feel only masala on this. You will not feel the fresh fish taste. So required bit of water more. So I'm taking kane. In Karnataka they called kane. This is this fish. Whenever you're making any fresh seafood, you should not wait for marination more than half an hour, 1 hour. When the marination is ready, it will take time only marination. As soon as marination is ready, then you will able to cook it. You can cook it immediately. No need to soak it half an hour or 1 hour. And always fresh fish, you can cook it. Make sure the marination goes to all the fish thoroughly. Now I'll show you the preparation. So I've taken the preheated tawa. I'm adding little oil in this. Extra virgin sesame oil in this. See, the smoke is also coming. You can see now. So I just kept the temperature low. So one more the secret ingredient I'm adding. This is the curry leaves. I'm adding curry leaves on the top of this oil, so that while we adding the fish, it will give the flavor on that, and also allows the fish will not stick on the pan. Okay. Now I'm adding a fish one by one. The aroma on this, I'm just adding the lid so that it will cook fast. I'll make the simmering. While preparing it, I'm just adding one more tawa, just adding little oil in this. While I'm making the plate presentation, I'm adding little shallots, the small onions. Okay. It will take time to cook. So as you guys knows that it will hardly take 5 minutes to cook entire this fish. I'm just adding a splash of water so that it will give you more steam on this. This is almost done. So I'm just switching off the flame. See, fish almost is ready. Okay, once fish is getting cooked another 1 or 2 minutes. Before that we will do the plating on it. Okay, I am switching off the flame. If you any food preparation everyone will do, I will show you how to do the plating now. Okay, I've taken one full plate. I've taken roundly cutted the banana leaf on this. Okay, I've slightly cut the onion rings. You have to give the onion rings like this. We need to do 1/2 of the small cherry tomato. And finally, I'm adding coriander leaves, greenish on this. This is the plating I have done for our fish. I'm doing the final plating in this. Gently, you need to keep it like this way. Final, I'm adding lemon wedges. I just twisted lemon wedges like this way. Now plating is ready. Okay. This is the shallow fry, fish fry is there. You can see me now. I will taste in front of you guys now. So guys, any food preparation, everyone can do it. So if you see that this entire plate is 100 marks in this this one, so that in this particular dish, appearance it will take 20 marks, flavor 20 marks, texture 20 marks, and final thing which we are going to taste, it will take 40 marks. Okay. I can feel fresh seafood, cooked nicely, delicious. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Signing off. Narayan.